3D Matt here with another video for everyone. Currently doing renovation work at my house, and I purchased some new lights from IKEA. After redoing all the electrical, each of the bedrooms have new wall lights. However, I did run into an issue here. The base plate for the wall lights is the exact same size as the octagon box. While I did cut accurate holes for each of the octagon boxes, this still exposes the edge of the drywall. The other issue is the depth of the octagon box. If they're not all the same, the light will have different mounting depths when installed. So, my solution for this was using my 3D printer. I took all the appropriate dimensions that were needed from the light hardware. This will end up needing to be two pieces where it has a base plate and then a cap to go over everything. I drew this up in AutoCAD. I have yet to test this, but apparently there is a difference with the quality of prints when making 3D models between AutoCAD and Fusion 360. This was a fairly simple model, so it didn't take me too long to draw up. After that was sending this over to the printer. This will be made from PLA plastic. I'm curious how well it'll hold up on this application. I have 4 of these lights, so 4 sets of these bases will need to be made. As for my printer, it's the X1 Carbon from Bamboo Lab. Once the prints were done, here you can see a quick mock-up of how everything goes together. There's a plastic disc which is installed in behind the metal mounting plate for the light fixture. This will be sandwiched in place once that base plate is screwed down. The cap then gets installed over this, and finally the light fixture is screwed into place. Now for the installation. The plastic disc was put into place and the metal mounting plate was screwed on. The cap gets installed over everything to hide what's in behind, and the light fixture is then put into place. And finally is the final finish. As mentioned earlier, I used PLA. This was a regular white, and this was printed face down on a textured plate. Overall, I'm extremely happy with how it turned out, and this definitely saved me a good chunk of money where I would have had to potentially buy new light fixtures. This concludes the rest of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment below and throw a like my way. Thanks for watching.